Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at probability. What probability is the likelihood for an event to happen. In the presentation, I'm going to teach you the basics of probability and how it is calculated in simple games and uses. To calculate probability for an event to happen, we have to find all the different ways the desired outcome will happen. Then find the total number of outcomes possible. Our probability is then the desired outcome over the total. Here's a couple examples. We are looking to find the probability for guessing your student ID number and locker combination. To start off, we have to think about what we want. We have to calculate the total number of IDs there are. The number is 5 digits long, and each digit can be 0 to 9. So there are 10 possible numbers for each of the 5 digits. To calculate the total, we multiply 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. This can also be expressed as 10 to the 5th, or 100,000 possibilities. So the probability is 1 out of 100,000 for guessing your student ID number. Next, let's look at your locker com. It has 3 numbers long, and each number is from 0 to 49. That makes 50 possible numbers for each part. So 50 times 50 times 50 is your total. Multiply that out, makes 125,000. The chances for guessing your locker com would be 1 out of 125,000. Now we have looked at your locker com and ID, we can look at flipping a coin. A coin, when flipped, can be either heads or tails. So there are 2 possibilities. The possibility of getting a head is 1 out of 2, and so is the possibility of getting tails. We're going to take a look at a few games you guys play or have played before, whether they involve cards, dice, or just your hands. I'm sure all of you are familiar with this game. We're going to take a look at the different ways each game can end. You can win, lose, or tie. Each object beats one other object, so you have 1 out of 3 chance to win. For example, if you pick rock, it can only beat scissors. You would lose the paper and tie with another rock. So it works the same way with losing. You lose to one object, tie with one object, and win against one object. So the chances of winning, losing, and tying are all the same. For this, we're just going to take a look at one normal die. It can be anywhere from 1 to 6. This means 6 different possibilities. There's only 1 of each number, so getting a 5 is 1 out of 6, same as the chances of getting a 6, which is 1 out of 6. There are a total of 52 cards in a deck. Half are red and half are black. There are 4 of each card, 1 for each suit. This means that there are 4 queens, and 4 out of 52 is 1 out of 13. And each suit has 13 cards. 13 out of 52 is 1 out of 4. Let's take a look at the alphabet now. There are a total of 26 letters. 6 are vowels, and 20 are consonants if you count Y as a vowel. This means that picking a consonant is 20 out of 26, which reduces down to 10 out of 13 for probability of picking a consonant. The chances for each color is the same because they are all the same size. So getting blue is 1 out of 4. Getting yellow is 1 out of 4. Getting green is 1 out of 4. And getting red is 1 out of 4. Now let's take a look at not getting the color red. So take a look. There are 4 colors and 3 of them are not red. This means that 3 out of 4 is your chances of getting not. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you. Here are the resources I use for both pictures and some information if you guys want to take a look at that.